Hello, everybody. Lucius Hill Jr. here of Leonard Hill Investments. Today, we're going to be talking about investing in the stock market and what to look forward to over the next 10 years and what to expect as we forecast out over the next 10 years in the stock market. Today is May the 12th, 2022. Some people have been alerted to and have been getting out of the market as of late with fears of the Federal Reserve raising interest rates. As you know, I've been a big proponent of buying stocks as they dip and fall. And I believe that having investments over the next 16 years will prove wisely for a person's portfolio. If you have investments in stocks, it just depends what stock you're investing into. Over the next year or two, we see gold and silver going higher. We're playing that by buying gold and silver ETFs. We see oil and gas going higher. Playing that by buying oil and gas stocks and ETFs. And I see Ethereum going higher. Ethereum cryptocurrency going higher. Playing that by buying Ethereum through Coinbase.com. So, with this in mind, we say, what else is there in the markets that we should be looking out for over the next 10 years? What if I were to say to you in about 5-6 years from now, there's going to be another Great Depression that hits America, causing stocks to fall, real estate prices to fall, and wiping out much wealth from the countries. I'm a big proponent of putting some cash on the side for that reason. In a money market or a CD, and letting it ride for a little while. So I could buy good investments at good, terrific prices, good, cheap prices in the future. We believe much of the stock market gains are going to be wiped out by the Great Depression. That's looming this way. Now we're forecasting this Great Depression. But we're not 100% sure what's going to take place. So with that in mind, we say 16 years from now, instead of 10 years from now, we believe the market is going to be able to recover, and much of the losses is going to be regained, and profits is going to be back on the table. But 4 or 5 years from now, we're going to be experiencing so much plight and devastation, I believe, from the Great Depression. We believe by downsizing some of our homes and our real estate holdings and get into cheaper houses can prove wisely. This is Lucius Hill Jr. fighting for your portfolio. I'm putting people investing up there next to God, but God on top of people investing. So let's put God first, people investing second, Diggs and family third. This is Lucius Hill Jr. fighting for the small investor and the professional investors portfolio. So sometimes I get the shot calls right, sometimes I get the shot calls wrong. But at the end of the day, I'm fighting for your portfolio.